Believe it or not, you have the power to make someone miss you without calling them, texting them, without doing anything. Seriously, through the power of your mind, you can make someone miss you, want you, and chase you. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can do for your life right now. I mean, money, love, happiness, health. We are here to help you at lawofattractionsolutions.com. You have the power to make someone miss you without texting them, without calling them, without speaking to them, without stalking them and finding out where they're at and then accidentally bumping into them and all that weird kind of stuff that just lowers your self-esteem and your confidence and your personal power. You do have the ability to get someone to miss you. The power of your mind and your thoughts and your emotions have the ability to literally influence someone's feelings for you. And they'll start thinking about you and missing you and wanting to spend more time with you. I think what's even more important is that because they miss you, because they desire to be near you, they also desire to make you happy. The secret to getting your special person, your specific person, wanting you, needing you, missing you, is locked in the power of your mind. It's already there. High flyers, the key to understanding this is to understand that you're not attracting someone you want. No, that's what you've been led to believe. You're attracting someone you already have. You already have your specific person missing you. You already have your specific person wanting you. And you already have your specific person chasing you. You see, when you believe you already have this person missing you, the universe says, hey, I'll send more of the same. And that's what happens. Remember, the universe, it's like a giant mirror. It only reflects back to us what we put out. So if we put out that we're wanting and needing and trying and hoping, now we tend to attract more wanting, needing, trying, and hoping. But when we put out that we already have this specific person, this special person, missing us, wanting us, craving us, then guess what? That's what we attract back. The biggest lie you can tell yourself, high flyers, listen, this is the biggest lie, is I need to contact them for them to miss me. I need to call them for them to miss me. I need to chase them for them to miss me. That's the biggest lie. Remember, a lack mentality or a scarcity mentality attracts more of the same. It attracts more scarcity, and you start to get the opposite of what you desire. So it's very important to have an abundance mentality and believe and know and trust that they miss you, that they crave you and want you very badly. And I don't care what the 3D is telling you. Every day, whether there's another person or not, a specific person, you need to be saying this affirmation. I firmly believe that. I say it every day. I think it's done wonders. And I know several other people who say it regularly. But when it comes to your specific person, it's a must that you say and believe this affirmation. I am the one. I am the one. Say it with me. Doesn't it feel good? I am the one. When you say that affirmation and believe it, It means you don't have to chase anybody. You don't have to chase anything. You already have what you desire. And what you desire is your specific person coming to you, missing you, chasing you, wanting you. Here's another affirmation I think is essential for you to believe. The one I want, the one I desire, wants and desires me even more. Say this affirmation every day. Say it, feel it, believe it, and then receive it. Here's a few more beliefs that will have them missing you, wanting you, and chasing you. I know in my soul that you miss me. I believe and I know that I am the one that you constantly think about. You can't get me out of your mind. You can't stop thinking about me. I am grateful that you miss me and desire me so much. Take control of your thoughts and use these powerful affirmations every day, but especially at bedtime. You can just take one of the affirmations and just repeat that affirmation and feel it in the core of your being as you fall asleep. See it in your mind, feel it in your heart. And what you're doing is you're sending out a vibrational ray to the universe that says, this is what I have. This is who I am. And the universe says, okay, I understand. Let me reflect more of it back to you. Remember, high flyers, you are the jewel. You're not a street rock. You are a precious jewel. So every night and every morning when you wake up, tell yourself and the universe the reality that you've created. Soon they will be chasing you because they miss you and they can't stop thinking about you. Believe in the reality that you choose to create and then expect it. And look, you don't have to know how, just expect it. Prepare to live it because it's already yours. Your specific person misses you very badly. For other ways to get a deeper sense of control of your manifestation, try miraclehypnosisonline.com. Look, it's absolutely free. You can try it for 3 days. miraclehypnosisonline.com. I put my best work there. There's no commercials. There's no interference. It's the best and highest quality. You won't find it anywhere else. miraclehypnosisonline.com. And now, this next video is a must-watch.